The electric catfish uses electrical pulses to stun prey or deter predators in the murky waters of Africa. The striking emperor penguin is the tallest and heaviest of all penguins, enduring brutal Antarctic conditions to raise its young. The emperor scorpion is one of the largest scorpions in the world, and despite its menacing appearance, its venom is relatively mild. The tall and flightless emu, native to Australia, is a fast runner and has a strong kick to defend itself from threats. The stealthy Eurasian lynx roams the forests of Europe and Asia, using its sharp claws and keen senses to hunt.